Good morning students, my name is Madhavi working in COE Vardhanapet. In the human body, the blood flows in closed circuits. It is possible because in our body we have network of tubules which we call it as the blood vessels. So the blood vessels are the network of tubules which are going to carry the blood from heart into the living cells and from living cells into the heart. So in our body, blood from the heart, it is going to flow into artery, then into arterioles and reaches the capillaries. Where again, blood from the capillaries is collected by the venules and it flows into the vein, into larger veins and finally it is going to reach the heart. In our body, there are three major blood vessels. One is artery, vein and the capillaries. The wall of the artery and the veins, they are made up of three layers. That is tunica externa, which is made up of connective tissue layer, tunica media, which is made up of muscle layer, that is smooth muscles, and tunica interna, which is made up of basement membrane and the endothelium. When we see here, the wall of the artery and arteriole, they have two elastic lamina, one on either side of the muscle layer, whereas the wall of the vein and the venules, it is going to have only one elastic lamina. So, arteries are more elastic when compared to that of the veins. Arteries further they break up into arterioles and veins they break up into venules. The arteries and the venules, they are connected by small blood vessels which we call it as the capillaries at the tissues. These capillaries, they are made up of a single layer of endothelium which helps in easy exchange of materials. Now let us see the differences between arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart except for the pulmonary artery which is going to carry the deoxygenated blood. Whereas veins are going to carry the deoxygenated blood towards the heart except for the pulmonary veins which are going to carry the oxygenated blood. Arteries are bright red in color whereas veins are dark red in color. Arteries are present deeply inside the body whereas veins are present superficially. Arteries are thick walled having two elastic lamina whereas veins are thin walled having only one elastic lamina. And arteries are going to have narrow lumen whereas veins are going to have wide lumen. Lumen is the space which is present inside the blood vessel. Arteries are non-valvular whereas veins are valvular having the valve made up of folding of the endothelium. And in the arteries, the blood is going to flow with more pressure and with jerks, whereas in the veins, the blood is going to flow with low pressure and it is going to flow steadily. Arteries are going to end in capillaries, whereas veins are going to start with capillaries. When capillaries join, they form venules, and when venules join, it is going to form the vein. Thank you students, and our tomorrow session will be disorders of circulatory system.